Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azim bin Muhammad Hassan, and my ID number is PDL 2007022. So today for the assignment MPU, I will be your tutor, mathematics tutor. So the chapter that I will teach you guys is Trigonometri, which is the Trigonometri chapter is under PT3 lesson for Form 3 student. This chapter is very easy that you guys can learn it right now and understand it very easily and quickly. Alright, before we start our lesson, we need to know the formula of this question that we use. Firstly is sin, second cos, and lastly tan. These formulas is very important that will help us to find the value of the angle in a triangle. Alright, for the first question, we use the sin. Okay, each formula have the short word. There is so, kah, toa. For the sin, the short word is so. So, that means sin opposite divided by hypotenuse. So this question asks us to find sin x. So sin x opposite 16 divided by hypotenuse 34. So then we simplify it to smaller value, and sin x, the value of sin x is 8/17. That is for sin x. Alright, for the next question, second question, we use the cos. So like I said before, each formula has the short word that will help us to solve the equation. So cos is kah, C-A-H. That means cos adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So the question asks us to find value of cos x. So cos x, adjacent is 8, hypotenuse is 10. So like always, we simplify the answer into smaller. So the value of cos x is 4/5. That's the answer. Alright, for the last question, we use the formulas tan. So before we start, we need to remember the short words for tan is towa. That is towa. O meanings of opposite, A is adjacent. So the question asks us to find tan x. So value of tan x is opposite is 9. This is opposite 9 divided by adjacent is 12. This is adjacent 12. So like always, we simplify the answer into smaller. 3, 4. So the value of tan x for this question is 3/4. So that's all that can I teach you about trigonometry. Alright, therefore before we end our video, I just want to say that this chapter is very important for you guys. I hope you guys can apply this chapter, trigonometry, in your studies very well, especially for PT3 student. So also need to be in mind that you guys need to do exercise a lot, because it will help us to strong our knowledge and understanding. And next, the point of our session today is the main point of this chapter is soh, katowa, and the formula is sin, cos, and tan. We need to remember that. So as a student, I just advise that we need to study smart and study hard, and always be hardworking and responsible person in our life. Thank you, and that's all from me.